If you're looking for an affordable laptop that also is a powerhouse and is sustainable and eco-conscious, then this right here is the laptop you need to go with. This is the Acer Aspire Vero 16, and this right here is one of the best laptops you're going to be able to find on the market. I'm going to talk about that more in this review of this laptop. And again, thank you to Acer for providing this for review. Let's go ahead and get on into it. Introduced at CES 2024, the Acer Aspire Vero 16 stands out as a laptop designed with sustainability in mind. Boasting a zero carbon footprint by utilizing recycled materials throughout its construction and packaging, the laptop features a case made of 60% recycled materials, a touchpad crafted from recycled ocean plastics, and plastic-free recycled cardboard packaging, emphasizing its commitment to environmental friendliness. The Acer Vero 16 immediately reveals one of its most unique features. The R and E keys are deliberately swapped, symbolizing reduce, reuse, recycle. And the laptop's unpainted matte plastic exterior provides a distinctive look. Despite its unconventional appearance, the Vero 16 offers solid build quality. Although we do have to keep in mind that the performance might not meet the needs of every consumer out there, especially if you're a very high-end power user. But it can serve as a budget-friendly option for people who are using CAD or AutoCAD work, photo editing, video editing, or movie watching. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core Meteor Lake processor, specifically the low-power Core Ultra 5 125U with integrated 4Xe cores GPU. It includes 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory and 512 gigabytes of NVMe storage. The 16-inch screen boasts a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and a 60 Hz refresh rate. While the Vero 16's performance may lag behind other laptops in its category for more demanding tasks, it remains a viable choice for everyday office work and light creative applications. Now, going back to the display, like I said, it does have a 16-inch IPS LCD with a 60 Hz refresh rate and 1600p resolution, and its aspect ratio is a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. And while it's not a touchscreen, it offers excellent color accuracy, displaying 100% of sRGB, 85% of Adobe RGB, and 87% of the P3 gamut, with a peak brightness of 450 nits. The laptop includes a thin bezel around the screen, a standard webcam that can go up to a 1440p, and a privacy shutter, along with various connectivity options such as USB ports, HDMI, as well as a headset socket. Now, you do have to keep in mind it does lack an Ethernet port, which can be remedied with a Thunderbolt or USB adapter. Now, another thing about this laptop is it does integrate some AI functionality into it for both the webcam and the microphone that's built into it, as there is software on it that allows you to tweak the microphone AI noise cancellation features, as well as able to add a background blur and the strength of that blur. So if you're curious as to what that looks like and what the microphone sounds like, let's go ahead and play it for you guys right here.
So this is what the camera quality looks like on the Acer laptop, as well as the microphone quality, and it's got a couple other neat little features built into it, so you can actually tinker with and change to have background effects. I can turn it off like here, I can turn it back on. There's standard blur, which is this one, which I think is way too much of a bokeh. Then it's portrait blur, you can turn it off. Then there's this eye contact using AI. I mean, I can turn it off, turn it on. You can see how my eyes are shifting. And there's also automatic framing. I think it's pretty cool. What's interesting is this is a 1440p capable camera, 1440p at 30 frames per second, I believe. But I'm looking at this and I'm like, this doesn't look 1440p. This actually looks lower quality than my Razer, I think it's Keo Pro or whatever, my Razer camera. I'm a little shocked by that. I would think the quality would be a little bit better than what it is. But, you know, it just is what it is. But yeah, this is what it looks like and this is what it sounds like. So if you're curious, now you know.
Now, when it comes to charging a laptop, it's handled via USB-C Thunderbolt ports, and the laptop can even achieve over 10 hours of use on a single charge, making it suitable for extended work days, though battery life decreases with intensive uses. Now, in wrapping everything up, the Acer Vero 16 excels as an office machine, as well as for photo editing, video editing, and consuming media. And it offers a good connectivity with Thunderbolt and HDMI ports for external displays and storage. Its eco-friendly design provides a sense of contributing to environmental conversation. However, it may not be the best choice for users requiring super high-end performance for the latest creative applications. But for those who are prioritizing sustainability and adequate everyday performance and some creativity and productivity as well, then the Vero 16 presents a compelling option that I think you would absolutely love. And that's it. That's the review for the Acer Aspire Vero 16. Again, thank you to Acer for sending this over to me for a review. But what do you guys think of this laptop? Is this something you're considering picking up? Do you like it, or are there alternatives that you personally prefer? Whatever your thoughts are, let's go ahead and get the conversation going in the comment section down below. And if you want to pick up this laptop, I will leave affiliate links down in the description below, as well as in the pinned YouTube comment. All that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe, be blessed, have aloha, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, and a hui ho.